Welcome back. It's Days and Nights NYC. Today we're at the Color Museum and then we're going to visit Black Tap.
For more information, make sure you pause and read.
You get to select one macaroon per person. Next, we're about to get some taffy. Several flavors of taffy for you to choose from. One taffy per person. Now it's chime time. Ding bong. Where did she come from? Confetti time. Time to throw some confetti. Time to learn our secret color. You need the headphones for this one. Question: have you ever been to a silent party? This room was pretty cool. Due to recording, we didn't realize that the walls were changing as the colors changed. Colors with the weirdest names from A through Z. On the back, they explain how they got their names. Let's go, the part I've been waiting for. We didn't get in the ball pit this time, but we sure will next time. Everyone looks like they're having a good time. Ice cream. Who doesn't love ice cream? We got us some prizes. What's this? Let me put that back. We made it to the gift shop. There's something here for everyone, all ages included. Now off to Black Tap. Let's see which way. Haven't been to Black Tap in years, but I see they expanded their Soho location. How do you like our new watches? Something calm. Drinks are here, wings are here, ready to eat. This burger was delicious. You can't go to Black Tap and not get a milkshake. Come on.